here with a video for you guys unboxing my new MacBook Pro. This is the 2015 MacBook Pro 13.3 inches. It is not the Retina display one because I wasn't going to pay extra money for something that I don't think I need. So I bought this computer because I need one for school, I need one for editing videos, and for in about a year or two I'm gonna go to college for graphic design or art. Either one, I'm going to need a good computer, and I did my research and this was the right one to buy. So it was not cheap, but I am paying it, so you know, I'm proud of myself. And I am ready to freaking open this.